Hello, good morning, and welcome to this video. My name is Willie. I am a system administrator here at Programmage, and today I want to talk to you about the importance of using FTP over editing your website through Cpanel. Many clients have this tendency of making live edits to their website right through the Cpanel user panel, and when something breaks, it goes live directly to their customer and their client, and they can see the error in real time as the developer they work. Therefore, it is important for you to have a backup copy on your desktop where you can develop, and when you are ready you upload to the server. I believe personally, it is not a good practice to work directly through the cPanel file manager while editing your website. I think it is much better if you can just have a local copy of your site, do all the edits and development on your local machine, and when you are ready, deploy your database first, and then after that upload your files through FTP or using a system such as rsync to upload incremental backup changes to your website without interrupting your customers as they visit your site. So for all our clients, we would like to tell you that the proper flow of updating your website is to have the local copy where you make all the changes, and then finally when you're ready, being able to upload those changes to your server you have thoroughly tested them. And do not use the file manager on your live site to edit your website. That is a very bad practice. Whether you are fixing a small bug or making a major release, it is not appropriate to behave so, because when you do so, your visitors have a real-time glance of whatever is being edited into your site. And believe my experience, no matter how small the change you want to make, the possibility of breaking something larger is always there. So have a local backup copy of your site, do all the edits, and when you are confident that everything works fine, upload them using a software such as FTP. It is much better for your overall site health and your own health too. A second benefit for having a local copy is when certain clients, when they make live edit through cPanel, and when something bad happens to the server, they often are left without any backup of their site. So when you use yourself to having local copies of your site and then working on them, both database and files, and have updated local copies of your site, it gives you peace of mind that even if the server went down, all you would have to do is just re-upload and have all the current information um, live again in a very few time. That is also a good disaster recovery practice. Of course, never forgetting to automatically or manually back up your database, your current live one that is on the server, on some remote location other than the server. Because remember, in terms of disaster, it's never a question that whether or not it's going to happen, it is always a question of when it's going to happen. So these hard drives, they crash, believe my experience. No matter how long they can stay healthy, eventually a crash, a disaster is going to happen. So you better be prepared for that. Thank you. This was my video with me, Willie from Programmage. And don't forget, if you need domain name registration, hosting, and everything, head over to programmage.com. We got you covered over almost 15 years of experience in this industry. I'll see you when I see you. Bye bye.